What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. You guys see we are in the I-8 today, man. I done finally took a chance and drove that thing back to the city, man. So we are in the city of dreams already, man, getting some gas and getting it ready, man. It's a bunch of freaking trucks and haulers and everything out here. My boy Dre and all the homies is heading to Havasu. I gotta do some stuff today. I gotta pick up some wheels for that 2020 that's on the way. I got a 2020 on the way, man. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you click that link below and go get your entry for that, man. But gotta go pick up the wheels for the 2020. Meanwhile, we are filling up. Gotta go do some other stuff, man. So come hang with your boy. Maybe we can head to Havasu later, man. So with that being said, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you in a minute, dog. And the gas actually is pretty good, man. I filled up on 30 bucks. Got out here half a tank. Now it's like half electric, half gas, of course. But it's like when you're doing over 75, you can't, like, the e-drive is not really effective as it can be. So now that I'm in the city, it'll be a lot more gas friendly, but you guys see it here first, man. Alrighty, guys, couple days later here, man. I told you I was gonna take a break for a couple of days. Like I said, I've been ripping and running nonstop, so man, I had to get a little break in. So you guys already seen the title, man. I'm taking delivery of my 2020 Road Glide today. The transporter should be here in about maybe an hour or so. I was supposed to go live with you guys today at like 6, but I don't want to get stopped mid giveaway and have to come down here and take delivery. So it just makes sense if I freaking push that back till today. So you guys will have the giveaway today. Don't worry about that. Quick update on the green bike. We're waiting for the lowers and the cups. They should be here, I want to say Tuesday or Wednesday, the all gloss black ones. So we'll go change that fork and stuff out. Then as we're doing that, we'll have them switch out the little neck up here, because I could do this myself, at least the fairing stuff. I just literally don't want to, man. I freaking been ripping and stuff, so really just trying to get some more time, man. So if I gotta pay for some extra time this way, that's a plus, because at least I know it'll be done right, and then you know, I don't have to break a sweat doing it in this heat. Meanwhile, quick update on the truck. I had to go take the truck to the shop. The radiator was busted on it, so it kept overheating and stuff. So I took that to the shop, just got that out like yesterday. So was driving this to LA. It's pretty cool, but with traffic and all that good stuff, I'm actually good. But waiting for this truck to pull up, man. So we'll see what's going on. Meanwhile, we do have our other set of wheels here that we are putting on the 2020 literally soon as it comes, because when I bidded on this bike, when I did bid on this bike that's coming, I seen it had like no damage at all. Like I said, it's a 2020, so it has no damage. So I already had some wheels on order. Once I knew what I was gonna get, I just hit him up and told him what bike it was for the configuration. So we got those 21s and stuff ready to go. Can't wait. Gonna look nice, just like this one. See that one there? Can't wait though, man. Let's see where this shipper is at, man. We just got the call. He's about 10 minutes out, man. So got the garage all cleared up. Got some space for that Joan. He's about to pull up just like he did last time. And then we're gonna offload and check this thing out, man. So let's check it out, man. And there it is, guys. Ooh, big trailer coming through. Let's watch it hit the corner, man. Yes, sir. Woo, wait. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what time it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Live in full effect. Big trailers and all that. The man with the plan himself, man. You be back and forth across the country, man. You be doing it like nothing, dog.
I wish it was like nothing.
Hey, man, you make it look...
Try sitting in a truck that long, it's not nothing.
Man, you be making it look way easier than what it is, man. I'm like...
What they say, it's an easy way to make it, or a hard way to make it easy, really?
Hey, man, you got it going, though. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you. Let's see it, man. Let's see it here first, man. I've been thinking about... Oh, it's in the back. Okay, yeah. Man, I'm glad we caught this one, man. It was looking like they wasn't gonna let us grab it, man.
It's close.
They was hating on the kid.
Push it out, push it in the truck.
Yeah. Oh, you got some baggers up here today. Where y'all heading after this?
Last time there was a little more room in here.
Right, yeah, no, for sure it was. Wow, where y'all heading right after this?
And then we're going to Phoenix.
Oh yeah, that's like 4 hours. Well, 3 or 4 hours. Not that bad.
Yeah, 4 hours and a few minutes.
Yeah. That's dope, man. I know y'all headed back east soon, man.
Yeah, as soon as we leave Phoenix, we're going to Texas, then South Carolina.
Damn.
Then finally home.
Then finally home. How long y'all gonna be home for?
Just a day.
To pick up my nephew, his kid.
Oh, okay. He's gonna be rolling with y'all the rest of the way?
Yep.
Oh, that's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope. Yeah, I'm looking at something else at the same Copart y'all just got this one from, man. But he's like, please don't, man.
They're not that great at their job.
Yeah, it seems like their customer service was like they wasn't trying to.
The lady was trying to help.
Right. Okay,
That
bet.
was helping me, but the guys in the back.
Right, they wasn't trying to do
like,
shit.
Dude, if it ain't ready by 4:45,
Yeah.
tough luck. I'm like,
Right. They was trying to go home and going about their
and
day.
She's like, listen, if you want to go get it yourself, she goes, do you have a safety vest? I'm like, yeah. She goes, I'll let you go back and you can push it out here. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
It's like 850 pounds of bike. Dude.
Right.
She goes, that's the only way to get it. I'm like, all right.
That's crazy. They gave you a real hard
They don't
time.
know how to handle motorcycles, so they never took it out of our.
They never put it in this train.
Oh wow,
The
yeah.
battery's gone.
Right, yeah. So that thing is super shot. Wow. Yes, sir. All the way from St. Louis, Missouri. 2020 Road Glide.
It was definitely sitting outside for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
dirty.
yeah. See the pictures, it looked like super clean. That's why I got when you sent me the pictures. I was like, okay, they for sure had it sitting for a while.
Yeah, there's dirt on it. It's not horrible though. I mean,
Yeah. No, I'm gonna go
fast,
freaking.
she'll look nice again.
Yeah, I can't wait to clean this thing up, man.
Because overall, the paint's in real nice shape.
Right.
Now, I will warn you, these bars, they're not tight at all.
Oh, definitely gotta tighten them
They're
things
moving
up.
all over the place.
Right.
Just to give you the heads up.
I'm glad you told me that, cause I for sure.
I mean, here, I'll give you an idea.
Oh yeah. Definitely gotta tighten that up real quick. There it is. That thing looks clean. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it here first, man. 2020 all for me. Can't wait. Look at the pipes on that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I'm curious to see what this thing sounds like.
I wish I could tell you.
Man. That thing is crazy. My guy. All the way from St. Louis to my garage. My guys did it again, man, live in the flesh. Y'all see him here doing his job, going crazy, man. He done took our bikes from here to Arkansas to Philly, doubled all the way down to, St. Louis, Missouri, all the way back to Vegas with a whole bunch of stops in between, man. So I really want to thank these guys, man. They went hard and still going hard. Got a whole freaking trailer full of bikes, man. So getting their pictures in, but we're gonna get this thing shined up soon. So we'll get this business out the way and get it going, dog. Man, while they doing that, we gotta pull this thing out to the piece right here, man. So we can see this joint. I can't wait. This thing feels amazing, bro. Freaking clean. Look at this thing, y'all. Nice little bike. 2020 Harley Road Glide. It's got the CVO wheel that we had on our other bike, but we will be taking this off, putting this Big Daddy on there. Y'all see it. Whew, can't wait to get that thing on there, but it's looking good. Can't wait to clean it up, get it going. Look at the pipes on that thing, dog. Pipes look real good. And then they only put the front wheel on here, so I'm glad I got a whole set. But we got our keys here. 2020 Road Glide. Yes, sir. That's dope. They was trying to give my guys a hard time when they was picking this thing up. They wasn't even trying to let them pick it up. Man, that's nuts. That's nuts. Oh, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Look at the dash. Look at the dash on this thing. This thing got the Apple CarPlay and everything. It's got like some flow levers so they bend backwards. That's dope. That is pretty sick. I can't wait to see this thing is gonna do, man. Can't wait. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. So now that we finally got this thing, man, of course it's dirty, it's getting dark out, but I actually want to see how this thing runs, man. You guys don't never see me do this on camera because, I mean, it's kind of common sense, but for the people who's always commenting and whatnot, definitely looks like our oil is good. Probably add a little bit, but all in all, pretty fair. Let's see if we can get some power to this John. There ain't no power. It look like they tried to get some power right there already. Alrighty guys, we got our battery pack hooked up. Got our battery pack hooked up. We got some action there, got some lights. Oh, we got some tunes, we got some power. We got some power. Little to no gas. Let's see. This thing is ultra dead. The screen not even cutting on. That's how dead it is. So probably gonna have to charge this thing up a little bit. Let it get some power. But we gonna see. If not, we'll just go get a battery real quick. But we will get this thing fired up tonight, man. We're gonna see. If not, we're gonna catch y'all in the morning either way. Alrighty guys, so just as I suspected, battery is literally too dead to even jump. Because even with these charged up jumper box, we're not getting enough juice, man. So I'm gonna just fish this battery out because I'm not about to waste time on this. Meanwhile, we did fish the battery out. So let's go grab this new one, man. Just pulled back up to the house. It is a little dark, but I am determined to get this thing turned on tonight, man. We gotta hear what these pipes are sounding like. And all that good stuff, man. So I'm gonna set y'all up and we're gonna try this again. The moment we have been waiting for, we made it back, got the battery in there. Ooh, got full juice. Let's see if we can get something going now. Still got no action on the screen. It's no gas at all in this thing. Of course, we got to get gasoline now. Let's hope this is the last thing we need before that thing fires up. Alrighty, guys. Got some gas in it. Kind of like the moment of truth here, huh? Let's see. Oh my God. That thing sounds raw as heck. Oh my Lord. Yes, sir. Woo-wee. That thing sounds lovely. You gotta hear this joint. Oh my God. I'm waking up the neighbors. Oh, I'm excited, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. Meanwhile, it's time to go upstairs, get ready for this green one, because we will be seeing where this thing is going today, and we'll be heading to one of you guys. So can't wait to see where this road glide is going. But if you guys missed that one, make sure you get in on that one, because this one is a beast too. So can't wait to see what it is, man. You guys know what it is. Everything is regular. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.